Many of us dread cleaning out the fridge, but what if it could be done swiftly and effectively? Start by sorting items into clear categories, such as dairy, meats, produce, and leftovers, ensuring everything has a designated spot. Place Lazy Susans on the shelves to effortlessly access items at the back. Consider using clear storage bins for easy visibility and attach small labels for an organized aesthetic. Lastly, do a quick wipe down with an all-purpose cleaner to keep surfaces sparkling and fresh. With these simple steps, your fridge can become both functional and appealing in no time.